Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is something I'm excited to bring y'all, man. This was actually a video I was really looking forward to recording, and yeah, just something that's exciting for the channel. We did a little in-hand review for these already, but what we're going to be doing is an on-feet review for the Wizard of Oz SB Dunk Low. Y'all have already seen this pair. We reviewed this exact one on the channel a few times already, but now we're going to be putting them on feet because it's been my personal pair. I've now, gotten it all settled, make sure, I can toe them right, because it's an expensive shoe. I mean, you can go look at the prices right now. Not cheap. So, yeah. Basically had to make sure I was good to toe them, and we are. So yeah, we're gonna get in a little on-feet video, show you guys what they look like, and maybe it'll be a pair that you all really like. I don't know, we'll have to see. Y'all can leave your opinions down below. But of course, as a long-term play, this is a great bet. I mean, go think of it's like the Futuras and Birdies from this year. Like, those are examples of SBs that have a bigger name, will be remembered, will do well down the line, will be very, very valuable down the line too, I may say. But yeah, if y'all want more content like this, remember to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's try to hit 300 likes on this video. This is a normal goal we always shoot for, and do not forget, we're going to be doing some pairs of these under market and giving away a pair on Christmas in resale vision. So if that sounds like something that you like, make sure you all get in there. And we also gave away a pair of dark mocha, let me not drop those, but we gave away a pair of dark mocha Jumpman Jacks recently. We do under market sneakers every single day, so if you want to check us out, down below in the pinned comment, get in there, join up, and don't miss out on the giveaway we're going to be doing coming up soon for these. I thought I'd announce that in this video, since it's the end of my exam period for a little bit today, so I finally got a little bit more time to just chill and relax a bit and do some work, you know what I mean, aside from writing papers for my teachers. Shout out to all my teachers though, they're super chill. And yeah, you can check me out on my IGs down below. Don't forget, I'm going to be launching a website soon, so you see all these kicks around me, well, they're going to be on the website soon. So if you want to, see what I got soon, some clothes, some, accessories, all that, stay tuned. But let's get into this review. That intro took a long time. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know, man, I'm excited to show y'all this pair right here, and bring it on feet. It's it's been a long week, you know what I mean, long 2 weeks or so with just exams, so it's kind of nice to have it done and just be here chilling, you know what I mean. But aside from that, what we're gonna get with these in terms of the box, we're just gonna hop into the review right now. The box is just gonna be like the normal sale one. Think about the box we have for the Futuras, the Birdies. It's just this sale one. It's like this right here, as you can see, this pair of Birdies. So just a sale box right there. Think of it, these two. It will have a special box, but I believe that is the one where it comes in the bag and has a special pair of insoles with them. But I will know very shortly if there's going to be that other pair of insoles with them as well. Aside from that just being an F&F pair, I'll confirm all that information when I'm editing this video later today. So maybe I'll cut something into the video, but that's not as important, in terms of just what these look like. We'll show you all the insoles though, and what we got up close here. So just hopping into the review, first things first, before we get into showing y'all these on feet, because we've showed y'all most of this shoe. So you can see one of the tongue tags says, as you guys can see, one says Nike SB and the other says Wizard of Oz. So I thought that was pretty cool. Just had to make sure that focused there. But yeah, nice little detail we got. And then of course, this is based off that Poppy Field photo I've shown in the past video, but I'll pop it up again. You guys can see this is the photo that it is based off. I feel like it's pretty obvious that it's that, you know what I mean? They're calling them the Poppy Fields. So that's what we got. And of course, if we go back here to the heel, you guys can see what it says. It says no place like home. So that's pretty cool how that kind of shines through the shoe, and you guys can see, I mean, that's a really, really cool portion. So yeah, definitely, when I originally bought these, I wasn't sure if I was gonna add them to my collection, but just seeing how cool and unique this SB Dunk is, it's one of those ones kind of like the Futuras or Birdies, where you may not fully rock with every part of it, but just knowing how unique the shoe is, it'll be one that if you don't cop them now and you all of a sudden want them down, down the line, you're probably not going to be able to get them down the line unless you got some real good money or you're doing well, you know what I mean? But there are the soles on them. Again, the ruby red. You guys can see just kind of translucent or see-through, whatever you want to call it. Red Nike SB center. I've shown you all this as well up here on the heel. Just kind of a suede material, so y'all can see that. And yeah, then some red laces with them as well. I think the red laces fit really well. There might be some other ones with them, I think there's a white set or something else. Again, keep in mind, this is a pair I bought early, so it did not come with every single thing. I have the box in there, but yeah, just the normal sale one, so nothing really too crazy to show you all. But hopefully I edited in a little bit earlier in the video some of those details, about the laces or what's going to come with the box, because I did see, where it was a bit earlier in the week, there was a picture showing the Wizard of Oz SBs and basically the packaging for them, and they come in a bag basically. And so a good way to know if the pair would be brand new, right, is if the bag that is in the box, if it's unopened or not, right? You basically can tell if the person had opened up the pair, checking it out or not, you know what I mean? But that might be an F&F only situation where it's coming in the bag because like it has a special design there and an extra pair of insoles. But if they, release that to the public and we get that extra pair of insoles, I would like to see that. I think that'd be really good and, be a nice opportunity for people. You get what I'm saying? But aside from that, here's the toe box. Y'all can see that. On these, pretty clean. Nice little detail we got there, kind of like an overhead view of them. Is this one of those shoes that's going to look a little funky on feet? Like when we put these on in a sec, yeah, they're definitely going to look pretty interesting. But let me show y'all the standard insoles that these come with. As you guys can see, here's kind of like just the standard insole. So nothing too crazy on the well, it actually is pretty nice. I mean, check out the details. It's definitely different than your normal insole. You get me? Like, very well done, I'll say that. So they definitely put some effort in here. But yeah, just standard option. I'll pop up a picture again. I think I showed it a bit earlier, but of like the other insoles they come with. So that might be released to the public. Again, keep in mind I'm coming off exam week, so that just hasn't been something I've been fully researching yet. But hopefully I gave that information a little bit earlier in the video as to what we're going to be seeing. You guys can also see another little hidden detail we got right there. Pretty cool. It's just a cool pair of shoes. You know what I mean? Like, when you see unique collaborations like this, it's just the type of stuff that you can put away for a while and know, like, in a few years, if you check back up on it, you're gonna be doing good. You can also do that with Travis Scott sneakers. I mean, medium olive, Jumpman Jack. Some of those are easier bets, But if you want to play into like your creativity, see, maybe if the risk works out, holding creative stuff like this, sometimes it works out really well if you do it for a couple years. Of course, this isn't the type of pair that I see shooting up in price really quick unless they really don't make any of them, which, I mean, if you can tell, there's like nobody selling these early right now, but we'll see it in a couple days. Skate shops are about to get them if they haven't just gotten them today. So yeah, that's what I can say. And keep in mind, these are coming in preschool and toddler sizes as well. But aside from showing y'all the insoles of this pair up close, let's just put these on feet, show y'all what they look like when, you put them on. And yeah, again, hopefully I gave some information about the laces box, all that, a little bit earlier in this video. And of course, you guys are always helping each other in the comments, so shout out to all you guys. Y'all are always very helpful to each other. Usually, sometimes there's some arguments, you know what I mean? And hey, I just want to say this, because I see what a lot of the arguments are about. Listen, guys, what a sneaker looks like or how good a sneaker is, right? All that is opinion-based. All of it is opinion-based. Like, every single bit of it. Like, oh, that shoe's better than that shoe. Why? Because I think it is. Literally. Like, that's the only... Like, you know what I mean? Like, that's... it doesn't have to be more complicated than that. And that's usually what it is. Yeah, I don't know why I'm doing, like, a psychology breakdown right now. But, yeah, it's all opinion-based. Don't trip over someone else's opinion. You know what I mean? Because it doesn't mean that they're right and you're wrong. It's just... two different opinions. Shoot, both of them are wrong. You know what I mean? Say that. Or both of them are right. I don't know. But yeah. Let's just put these on feet, yeah? These look so interesting on feet at like a first glance. Let's just get into it though.
Sticks made a fucking hit.
Anyways, guys, that's what I can say about this review for the Wizard of Oz SB Dunk Low. Man, very, very cool pair. Dropping December 23rd, so make sure you guys are ready. That's the date for sneakers. Skate shops is going to be on the 19th, so make sure you guys are ready a few days earlier for your local skate shop. And some of them have already been backdoored, so some shops you may not see them posted, but some you probably will. And hey, to any shops that do backdoor them, hey, any skate shops owners, excuse me, watching this video, I'm not even hating on you for doing that. You know what I mean? Make your money. This is one of those releases where you get a couple a year where, you know, kind of just helps the shop run a little bit more. You know what I mean? Whatever the case is, you know what I mean? Helps feed the fam, get the kids the gifts, whatever you may need to do. I understand. You know what I mean? Definitely drop some, honestly. You know what I mean? But yeah, you know, I understand it. This is just a shoe that you make a lot of money on right now. And I mean, especially with it being a hype December SB during Christmas buying season, yeah, these will do well. So, yeah, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below for more content like this, more unboxings. Trying to 300 likes in this video just lets me know these are the types of videos y'all want more of. You can check me out. My Instagram's down below. I'm always buying, selling, and trading. Hopefully Instagram's back up. When I was recording this video, it was like down. But yeah, hopefully they're back up and, you know, I can post my story again because I got some stuff to post for sale tonight. So just check my story there, and the website coming soon. So don't miss out on that. That's not going to have like deals, because keep in mind the deals we do in Resale Vision. So you want to check us out down below there. Hey, we're also going to be giving away a pair of these. I know this is a lot of information, but if you want a chance to win a free pair of these, check us out down below. Resale Vision. Undermarket sneakers are there every day. If you want to just check some of the other stuff I got for sale, that's on my Instagram. I post early pair photos there as well. I'll be getting some for the Supreme SBs soon. It's just the prices for them right now are absolutely crazy. It's like just not worth it. And yeah, that's pretty much what I could say about this SB on Glow. They're good. We just have to see where the prices land. I personally predict like 300, 400 bucks, but you never know. It could be higher, it could be lower. We'll see. So I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next one. Leave your comments and thoughts down below. I'm tripping up over my words. You can just tell my brain is fried from the past couple weeks of doing this exam work, but we're done, so I don't have to worry about that. So just back to the shoe stuff and doing what we normally do. See y'all tomorrow in the next one. Peace.